Oh Lord, oh Jah. Once again, destruction hit our land. Father, hear our cry. Jamaica, we will rise again. I couldn't believe my eyes, I thought I was dreaming. Woke up to the sound of the wind and people screaming. The place I call home, gone in a flash. Everything I worked for now turned to trash. I walked through the rubble, my heart full of pain. Reality hit hard, nothing looks the same. Rich or poor, we all felt the blow. The storm didn't choose, it hit high and low. We all feel it, yes we do. Same age, on Jamaica, we will rise again. Though the water washed our memories away, my friend, hold strong, don't lose your faith. The Father is mighty, His plan is great. On Jamaica, we will rise again. Through the tears and the loss, we'll stand to the end. With love in our hearts, with hope in our hands. Together we'll rebuild this blessed land. Oh yeah, rise again, rise again, Jamaica. Too much violence, too much hate and greed. The Father is showing us just what we need. Too much bloodshed, too many lives gone. Now the island's crying, trying to stay strong. Some people only pray when disaster's near, but when the sun is shining, they forget to care. This is a warning, time to change our ways. Walk in love, not in wicked ways. Change your heart, change your heart, change your mind. Let love shine, let love shine. No weapon, no gun can stop the works of God. He's cleansing the land, near and far. Maybe it's pain, but it's also rebirth, to remind us all of what life is worth. Or rebuild with kindness, rebuild with grace. Together we stand, one human race.